Andre Williams from TX4 Work,
I'm Doug Lucas from TX4 Work.
and today we're going to be explaining how to repair a 2-inch by 3/4 water tap. Okay, before you start your project, the first thing you want to do is call line locates to locate all your utilities. That way everything can get marked and you know if it's anything there, you can dig around and be careful. And these are just some of the tools we're going to need, which we're going to go through each process to show you to repair the 2-inch line. Okay, once you've been cleared by line location, you got everything marked. These are some of the things you're going to need to make your repair. Once you got your hole dug and cleaned out and you found your repair, this is your 2-inch pipe you're going to need here. These are your two 2-inch cylinders you're going to need to make the repair. This is a wrench that you're going to tighten the cylinders up with. This is your pipe thread you're going to need. This is your 2-inch solder tap that we'll be using. This is the wrench to tighten the 2-inch solder tap. We got a 3/4 shock bite here that's going to go over the top of a 3/4 valve that we're going to put in the solder tap. And this is your 3/4 PEX we'll be using to make the repair on top.
So these are the wrenches for your shark bites. We got your drill and your 3/4 inch bit right here. We got your battery operated sawzall right here. We got your safety gloves. We got your safety glasses. Of course, we got your safety mask. And down here, we got your mud boots, your high pressure pump, and your high pressure hose. Must have.
Okay, now that we've got everything we need, we can go ahead and turn the water off to the property. And once we turn the water off to the property, we can go ahead, we can use our sawzall here, cut out the bad section in the hole, and we can get a measuring tape and measure the size of the pipe you cut out and make sure you cut the proper pipe for your repair. And once you're ready for that repair, you got your solder tap. This is a 2-inch solder tap by 3/4. As you can see, I got my hole drilled for the new tap. And once you got that hole drilled, you can slide this tap right over that hole and try to get it perfect as you can. And then you can tighten it down. Tighten that down over that hole, nice and snug. And once you got that nice and snug over the hole, I have a 3/4 with a 3/4 nipple valve. You screw that in there, and that'll be the tap to the house that you're repairing the line to. And once you got that in there, make sure you use your pipe thread. Once you got that in there snug and tight, you'll pipe thread this 3/4 shark bite and put it on top. And once you get that snugged in on top, then you're able to use your 3/4 PEX. Stick it in on top, and then that's your repair. And all you have to do then is connect this side to the house. Okay, now we're ready to get in the hole and make our repair. Now that we got the water pumped out, if the water's clear, we can remove our pump, or if there's still water, we can leave the pump to the side in there. And we're ready to get down in the hole and make our repairs.
So once you get your pipe cut to size, we're going to get a pretty good, nice tight fit. So everything's going to be pretty much just sliding right in. What we want to do is take this high pressure fitting. Let's go ahead and install these. Get them loose if you can. Slide them on, and we're pretty much going to be ready to get down in the hole. So have your wrench, have everything already pre-assembled.
Okay, once you're ready to get down in the hole, once you get down in there, this pipe is going to snug up to your other end of your pipe down in the hole. And what you want to do, you want to slide these cylinders about halfway. And if you're not sure, you can always mark it with something where you know you're marking, you're putting half on this side on the new pipe, and the other half is going to go on the old pipe that's in the hole. You want it like 50-50. And once you get that in there, you just start tightening them. You got this ratchet, you just start tightening it. And what you want to do, you just want to tighten it till they get real snug. You don't want to over tighten it. Just tighten it till they get real snug. They don't have to be extreme tight. And you'll know when they're snug by the feel. And once you get that done, you're pretty much ready to tie into the house. And all you do up here is put a 90 shark bite going to the house. And this is the valve, you can have it off. And now you're ready to go turn the main back on. Once you go turn the main back on, you can leave this valve off if you choose to until you make sure your repair is solid and tight. And once the pressure come up, you can turn that valve on to the house and just watch everything till the pressure gets back full, and you should be fine with no leaks, and that should be your repair.
So once you get everything together now and We are just about ready to turn this thing back on. So when we go to turn it back on, let's slowly just relieve the pressure until it's fully open. Now once you have waited about 5-10 minutes and you are leak free, now we're time to start backfilling and moving on to the next.
All right, I hope this video was able to help somebody out in the field do a 2" by 3/4 tap. I'm Andre Williams.
I'm Dirk Lucas. This is Maintenance 101, and we'll see you on the next channel.